dating is just a numbers game. Okay? Numbers game. The more bet you place, the more chances of getting your ideal woman. Okay? Kasi, paano ka magkakaroon ng girlfriend kung, sabi nga ni Flo G, paano ka mananalo kung hindi ka tumataya? So, kapag mas madami ka, okay, the more risk you take, kaya, the more bet na ilagay mo sa sarili mo. Okay, di ba? Pustahan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi nga, ikaw nga yung be your number one fan. Be your number one supporter. Kaya pustahan mo lagi yung sarili mo. The more bet you place on yourself, the more chances, the more opportunities ang magagawa mo in order for you to win. Kaya when it comes to dating, the more women you approach, the more women you date, the more chances of getting your ideal woman. Okay? The perfect woman for you. Kapag meron kang abundance mindset, also, you take rejection as feedback at mabilis kang makaka-move on. Kapag mas mabilis kang ma-reject, mas mabilis kang makaka-move on. Pag mabilis kang makaka-move on, mas mabilis mo mahanap yung babaeng para sa'yo talaga. Kasi again, ang goal ng dating is for you to find a girl that is your complementary